Hello, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to write molecular, ionic, and net ionic equation. When a solution of sodium sulfate is mixed with a solution of barium chloride, a white precipitate forms. The first question here says, write the balanced molecular equation for this reaction. So we have sodium sulfate, and it says here its solution, so that would be aqueous, plus barium chloride, which is also aqueous. Now, in a double replacement reaction, this sodium would swap places with the barium, okay? The barium would also go on and replace sodium in the other molecule. And that's what makes it double replacement reaction. Now, when sodium combines with Cl, sodium is +1, chlorine is -1. This one goes to the chlorine, this other one goes to sodium. So you have Na1Cl1, which we're going to ignore the one. This is just one, write it that way. There are 2 sodiums here and 2 chlorines on this side. So to balance the equation, add 2 in front of that molecule. Okay? And that balances sodium chloride. Now the next one is the barium. So for barium, you have Ba2+, and that is combining with SO4 2-. Now remember, positive ions are always in front. They come first, okay? So because these two, they are divisible, the 2 divides itself to give 1, divides this to give 1. So the 1 is what you're swapping and not the 2. And since this is 1, 1, you just have it as BaSO4. All right? And that is it. Since you have 1 Ba on the left and 1 on the right, SO4 is 1 on the left, 1 on the right. That is balanced. All compounds of sodium are aqueous. So this is going to be aqueous as well. They are soluble. That's what the aqueous means. And then barium sulfate. Sulfates are usually insoluble, except for a few like sodium, potassium. Apart from that, barium sulfate is solid. It's insoluble. So we say X, okay, which represents solid. And that is what they mean by a white precipitate forms. So that is your precipitate there. So with this now, we've actually written the molecular formula. The next question says, write the complete ionic equation. To write an ionic equation, you will split all the aqueous molecules into their ionic forms. So this is 2Na+, because there are 2 of them. Sodium has a +1 charge. Sulfate is a polyatomic ion, which is SO4 2-, okay? And this is aqueous. This is also aqueous. Now barium, 1 barium with a 2 positive charge. 2 chlorides with a -1 charge. Both are also aqueous. On the other side of the equation, we have 2Na+, aqueous, and 2Cl-, aqueous. Now, the rule is that if something is insoluble, it does not split into ions because it did not dissolve in water. So solid compounds, liquids, and gaseous ones are going to be left the way they are. So you are not supposed to split it unless it's in aqueous solution. So this BaSO4 will be left exactly how it is. And that is your ionic equation, okay? Now the net ionic equation, which is question C, it says write the net ionic equation. In order to write that, you need to cancel out all your spectator ions. Spectator ions are those ions that you see on both sides of the equation. So sodium and sodium, these are spectator ions. Now, I want you to pause this video and try to locate the second spectator ion and let me know in the comment section if you got it right, okay? Now, to continue, the next one will be chloride. They cancel out. And therefore, my net ionic equation would be Ba2 plus, remember the positive ions comes first, aqueous plus SO4, 2 negative, to give BaSO4 solid. And that is our net ionic equation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow if you're not following me yet. Do have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Bye.